Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Gala games whose current price stands at the $0.01893 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 2.47%. And in this video I want to give you the short-term and the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing my analysis on the LDO2 structures and the Fibonacci's. And allow me to kickstart the video here on the daily chart by giving you a brief of what has been happening here on the Gala games chart. Gala games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice impulsive movement taking us to an all-time high at around the $0.85 mark, and in that movement to the upside I'm terming it as a higher LDO2 count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we have been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC corrective structure, which is right here, which has now taken us back to around the $0.016 mark in a movement that I'm terming as a higher LDO2 count 2 to the lower side. And whatever we expect next after seeing the formation of a higher LDO2 count 2 is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a higher LDO2 count 3 before we see that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upside. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this LDO2 structure, and first give you a from the all-time high. From the all-time high you can see that Gala games is down more than 97%, and that means there are chances that we might have seen the bear market low and also the low for that high LDO2 count 2, and very soon I'll be expecting an impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3 I can sketch out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $1.35 mark. Then I'll be expecting a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And that is my long-term scenario that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala games chart, which will only happen in the next bull market. That is when these possible scenario might play out. And in the formation of a wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I will also expect to see fractal waves in formation within that wave 3, having the wave 5 of those fractal waves completing the formation of that higher LDO2 count 3 to the upside. And here on the Binance chart, which I'm using to do my analysis, you can see that we have made a low that is below the low for this higher LDO2 count 1, which is right here, meaning there are chances of coming to an invalidation point of this LDO2 structure that I have right here, but I'm still giving it a benefit of doubt, because if we take a look at the KuCoin chart, in the formation of this higher LDO2 count 2 here on the KuCoin chart, we are yet to make a low that is below the low for that higher LDO2 count 1, and that means the LDO2 structure that I have here on the Binance chart is still valid, and I can still apply my LDO2 structures. And jumping to the forward chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala games chart. Here on the forward chart you can see that before we made our low, we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of the channel to the lower side, and after seeing the breakout we even saw a retest of the lower side of the channel, and once the retest was in, we continued pushing even lower and made our new low. And jumping to the 1 hour chart so that we can also get to see what other chart patterns we have information over here on the 1 hour chart, you can also see that we had another channel which is right here, which gave us a breakout to the lower side, and after seeing the breakout we continued pushing even lower, made our low at around the $0.017 mark, and from that point we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, managed to break above the 20-day MA, continued pushing a little bit higher, we made our high and then lost the 20-day MA once more, and after that we have continued pushing even lower. And there are chances that Gala games might be able to see that recovery to the upper side once more, manage to break above the 20-day MA and continue pushing even higher. Though we don't have many key areas of support down here, there are still chances that Gala games might be able to get into the recovery phase and continue pushing a little bit higher. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the RSI. On the RSI we are trading at around the 39 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upside. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have printed a bearish cross, and that would mean lower prices are coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.